Like our content? Share, like, and subscribe. Be sure to ring that bell.
Hi, this is Larry, and thank you for coming to check out my unboxing video for the Nitze aluminum side handle with ARRI Rosette. Model number P as in Paul is Apple 22 Delta. And here we go. This is my first ever owning a Nitze product. I've owned other handles, but I am quite curious how light and durable this item is. Oh, that's great. Certificate for quality control. A lot of items coming from Asia are kind of lacking a lot of quality control despite their price. In fact, I was interested because I saw this great price on Amazon, and it's hard to resist. So I pulled the trigger on it, and it came in with Prime, and there we went. Alright. And so, with the magic of editing, I will put this together real quick. Oh, there we go. And that's how it is. Like the texturing. And this is actually, this item is ambidextrous, and I'll show you. All right. So you could mount it for a right grip, like this, like so. Or left grip, which we're about to do. You could mount it high, and your thumb could rest on it. You could mount it low for all the weight to be on the bottom, which is more safe. I mean, you've got two screws, you could have it mounted high, but you can always adjust the arms for the bottommost mount. Well, let's mount this high and we'll take a look. Take a gander. So you could look at this item here. It's dovetailed, right? Okay. And there's the two screws. We'll So it looks like that. right? All right. So it doesn't really matter which way. It's fine like that. All right. Okay, we're securing the top screw first. That's in. We're going part way until we have both screws in. Alright, both screws are in. We're going to cinch down now. Alright. Oh, they're both right-handed. But now you can see where it's low mount versus high mount looking like that, low mount looking like that. This, when you have a heavy camera, it won't move on you. This one with light cameras, it's alright. But let's do it right. Make this a left-handed grip. Again, back it off. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Again. So I've got it on the bottommost position. Let me just sharpen this up. All right. Okay. And there you have it. The Nitze aluminum side handles with ARRI Rosette.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.